Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to book for this month's workshop, which is going to be over cardiology, including medicine section and Appendix L, spinal surgeries, and E&M changes for 2023. And we're going to have about 75 questions in 3 hours. We're going to do it the same pace as the exam, so we're going to try to get done with 25 questions every hour. So all you got to do is go to tutoring and workshops on my website. When you get there, click the workshop book now, switch your date over to the 19th. You'll see that dot show up. Click the dot, click the 2 p.m., then hit next, and that'll bring up the screen so you can purchase your pre-order. Of course, if you cannot attend or cannot stay the entire time, you will get access to the replay for 3 months if you pre-purchase. I hope